Hello everyone, we're from Skillpath and here we are here to share about the app that we have developed. Next. We consist of 7 people for this project. From the cloud company we have Chow and Tansil. For the machine learning there's myself, Marvina and Fery, and for the mobile development part we have Kensa and Elmi. Next. Now what motivated us to design this app, to build this app? Next. We found that 68% of learners have a difficulty in finding the relevant courses when they want to learn something new, and they also wanted to save time to find the best courses to learn. Next. We also found that on average, users have more success rate if they find the best courses within 20 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, they won't learn anything because they would drop out from wanting to learn. And professionals who completed the courses had an average upbringing of 20% or more because of the new skills that they have learned. So that's why we want to build this app. Next. And for the competitive audit of this app, we try to aggregate from different learning platforms to get the best features so that we have the flexible interest input, interest-based course recommendations, user ratings for course suggestions, course aggregators from different sources of courses, and also a chatbot feature to discuss with the chatbot for the best courses to learn or best skills to learn. Next.
Okay, next we will discuss about feature. First, brief course detail with links. Provides quick access to course information and valid links. Second, course from multiple platforms. Combines learn opportunity for various platforms. Third, personalized recommendation. AI-powered suggestion based off user interest. Next, comprehensive course linking. Display a full range of recommended course for easily selection. And last, user-based rating. Improve recommendation through satisfaction rating.
Okay, in this slide show you the user flow for Skillpath app. User begin by determining whether they are already registered. If not, they fill out registration form, which is verified through authentication. After successful registration, user can log in with their email and password. Once logged in, users select or input their interests, leading to course recommendation and details. They can access the recommendation courses, leave ratings, or explore more courses. The user profile allows for account management, including option to log out. This flow ensures structure, user experience, and support the app goal of helping user effectively find and access relevant courses. Okay, let's move to the next slide. This is demo of the Skillpath application. In this slide, you can see how the application works, starting from the authentication process, selecting user interest, and displaying course recommendation. To try the Skillpath application, you can download it by scanning the black QR code. And if you want to learn more about the technical details of the application, you can scan the blue QR code to go directly to our GitHub repository. Okay, next slide will be continued by Chow.
Okay, our project is built on the cloud to ensure scalability, reliability, and minimal infrastructure management, allowing us to focus on delivering a great product. We use 2 services. The first one is ML service built on Python and Fast API to handle course recommendations. The second one is backend service built with Go to manage user functionalities. These services are separated to ensure single responsibility, easier scaling, and better maintainability. Here is our cloud architecture. Both services run on Cloud Run for easy deployment and auto scale. Cloud SQL serves as the MySQL database, and Cloud Storage manages static files like profile image efficiently. Next.
Okay, now moving on to brief of machine learning words. And our system consists of 2 techniques, content-based approach and collaborative filtering or CF-based. And firstly, we are using word embedding from TensorFlow Hub to encode skills and input as a vector representation. Then by performing vector search, the system will be able to match user input with course description and uncover the most relevant course by similarity. Then our CF built by a matrix factorization model and simply stack both techniques to return relevant course recommendations based on user preferences and skill set input. Next. So here is our product documentation. It can be accessed through link below to our GitHub repositories. Note that its repository provides instruction on installation, running the service, or details about endpoints. Next.
For the project plan that we implemented on this project, we used the Scrum methodology with 4 iterations. The first iteration being the requirement gathering, and the second to the fourth iterations being the development of each component, and also ending with the integration and deployment of the app.
Okay, now continue to target market. Skillpath targets student, professional, and corporate entities by providing tailored course recommendation for academic success, career advancement, and employee upskilling. It simplifies course selection from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and MIT, often courseware, through data-driven creation based on user goals. Next, please. We have SWOT analysis. From strengths, we have integrated, perform consolidating courses, personalized recommendation via hybrid algorithm, flexible input handling without predefined skills. From weaknesses, include limited to 3 perform, data quality impact recommendation, high resource and infrastructure costs. From opportunities, contain expanding e-learning market, collaborative with more providers, AI integration for advanced assistance. And lastly, threat, hold rapid tech changes, cybersecurity risks, high competition in e-learning. Next will be presented by Wilson.
Okay, now we'll discuss about the timeline. For the first month, the target is for user feedback collection and prioritization. We'll begin by launching the MVPs to selected audience in Indonesia. During this phase, our focus will be gathering user feedback through surveys and analytics. For the second month, the focus is on feature localization and enhancement. With the feedback collected, we'll start tailoring the platform for the local markets. Key activities include adding features like Bahasa Indonesia support and local payment gateways. We also refine the recommendation algorithms to align better with the user preference. For the third month, the milestone is for UI UX refinement and testings. In this phase, we optimize the platform interface and user experience, ensuring it caters to local needs and also fits critical bugs. For the fourth month, the goal is marketing launch and infrastructure scaling. This is when we roll out our marketing campaigns, leveraging social medias and influencers to build awareness. At the same time, we will ensure the infrastructure is ready to handle increased traffic. Okay, for the fifth month, the aim is for full rollout in Indonesia. We're launching the platform to a wider audience across Indonesia. Our team will closely monitor system performance and user behaviors, making sure we address feedback promptly to maintain a high standard of service. For the last month, which is the 6th month, the target is post-launch monitoring and support. The key activities include provide ongoing support and maintenance, track analytics for future plannings, and begin planning for additional market or expansion. Okay, for the next slide, we'll discuss about resource and budgeting. In this project, the budget is divided to 3 categories, which is personal, cloud, and marketing. For the personal, the resource is for 6 roles: software engineers, 2 software engineers, 1 project managers, 1 UI UX, 1 QA, and 1 marketing. For the software engineers and project managers, each person get 10,000 Ks per month. For the part-time, the cost per month is 3,000. And for cloud categories, the resource is Google Cloud Service, which costs 3,000. And then for marketing categories, which is advertising, the cost per month is 1,000. This budget also consists of contingency buffer for 10%, which costs 4,300 Ks per month. So the grand totals for a month is 47,300 Ks. And if you wrap up it to 6 months, it will be 283,800 Ks per 6 months. Okay. You can next. Okay. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.